How to set the connection to Microsoft Dynamics CRM in the Call Tracker Multi application. To start working with Call Tracker, you need to set the connection to your MS Dynamics account. Select the system from the list. Enter login, password and URL, the part of web address ending with dynamics.com. After authorization, the login status must be online. The next step, we need to activate a subscription. Press check for subscription or buy from the menu. A free 7-day trial is available for all new users. Then, payment will be charged according to the specified tariffs. You can unsubscribe at any time. If you or someone on your team has a corporate key, you can activate and use it instead of a subscription. After activation, you will see the date while this key is valid. By opening the call logs section, you can see the call history of your phone. Select the necessary call log. You will see the contact's name if the corresponding number is already stored in your MS Dynamics database. If not, you can search for the needed contact or create a new one and save it as lead or contact. Here you can add a note or record a voice note. You can also add a future task for the saved contact. Choose the date and time, set a status and priority. By clicking Create, your call log with all notes and actions will be saved into the CRM system. The green CRM icon means that the call log has been successfully saved. In the configuration, you can also customize the saving rules for all calls to make the app work automatically. To set rules for specific numbers, go to Menu, Rules and press plus. If you are facing some problems with the app or have any questions, please send us a support request via email where you can describe everything in detail. You can leave your feedback or rate us in the About tab. Thanks for watching. Enjoy Call Tracker Multi CRM.